After 3 days of intense heat, residents across Punjab and Chandigarh are finally getting some relief as weather conditions begin to change. Notably, on June 2, partly cloudy skies are expected over most parts of Punjab and Chandigarh, helping bring down the impact of the recent heat wave. Well, according to the Meteorological Center in Chandigarh, isolated areas of Chandigarh may experience light rain and thunder showers, accompanied by gusty winds blowing at speeds of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Rain is also likely in several districts of Punjab, including Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Hoshiarpur, Shahid Bhagat Singh Nagar, Fazilka, Shri Muktsar Sahib, Bathinda, Roopnagar and Mohali. Although the state's maximum temperature rose by 2.9 degrees Celsius compared to the previous day, it still remains 4.2 degrees below the seasonal average. Bathinda recorded the highest temperature in Punjab at 40.2 degrees Celsius, while Shahid Bhagat Singh Nagar remained among the coolest locations with a maximum temperature of 32.4 degrees Celsius. Overall temperatures across most of the districts are currently ranging between 32.5 and 40 degrees Celsius, offering noticeable relief from the severe heat experienced in recent days. And weather experts say that the changing conditions are being influenced by a new western disturbance that is approaching North India. And at the same time, the southwest monsoon is continuing its advance and is expected to move into more parts of South India over the next 2 to 3 days. And all these developments are likely to bring significant changes in weather across northern states beginning June 3. And according to the Surendra Pal, director of the Meteorological Center, Chandigarh, light to moderate rainfall is expected in some parts of Punjab on June 2, while more widespread rain activity is likely on June 3 and June 4. Isolated showers may continue on June 5 and June 7. Thunderstorms, lightning and strong winds are expected across parts of the state until June 5, with wind speeds reaching 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. And on June 3 and 4, some areas may experience even stronger winds of 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. And on June 3, rainfall is expected across much of Punjab with districts such as Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Taran, Hoshiarpur, Shahid Bhagat Singh Nagar, Kapurthala, Jalandhar, Faridkot, Ludhiana and Sangrur likely to witness thunderstorms, lightning and strong winds. And on June 4, weather alerts have been issued for 22 districts where thunderstorms, lightning and winds reaching up to 60 kilometers per hour are possible. And on June 5, isolated areas in Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Hoshiarpur, Fazilka, Shri Muktsar Sahib, Bathinda, Roopnagar and Mohali may continue to receive light to moderate rain along with thunderstorms and gusty winds. While the changing weather pattern is not limited to Punjab, across northern India, widespread rain and thunderstorm activity have brought considerable relief from soaring temperatures, as the India Meteorological Department reported below normal temperatures in several states including UP, Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh at the start of June. Delhi, which had been experiencing heatwave conditions, recorded its coolest beginning to June in the last 3 years. The Safdarjung Observatory reported a maximum temperature of 36.3 degrees Celsius and a minimum of 24.9 degrees Celsius on June 1. However, temperatures in the national capital are expected to gradually rise again from June 3 onwards, that is from tomorrow onwards. And the IMD has forecast moderate rainfall accompanied by thunderstorms, lightning and gusty winds across Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, UP and Rajasthan over the coming days. Similar weather conditions are also expected across parts of central India including Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha, where rainfall, thunderstorms and strong winds are likely through June 5. Heavy rainfall and even isolated hailstorm activity have been predicted in the parts of West Madhya Pradesh. And in western India, regions such as Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Gujarat, Saurashtra and Kutch are also expected to experience rain, thunderstorms, lightning and gusty winds during the first week of June. Meanwhile, the southwest monsoon, which usually arrives in Kerala around June 1, is expected to reach the state within the next 2 to 3 days. And the IMD has stated that conditions are favorable for the monsoon's further advance into the additional parts of the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and several regions of the Bay of Bengal. And as the monsoon progresses and the western disturbance becomes active, much of the country is likely to experience cooler temperatures, increased rainfall and continued relief from the extreme summer heat in the days ahead. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.